Okay, so our next topic for today is concentration and different terms in a concentration which we are going to see today. So let's start. I hope you have understood these types of solutions which we have seen today, and let's move ahead just a bit. Let's just write it down: concentration and different concentration terms. Different concentration terms. We'll just write CONC. So what is exactly concentration? In 11th we have seen this word concentrated solution, concentrated liquid, or anything. So concentration is nothing but a particular mass in which a quantity of structure which we have dissolved in a given volume. Okay, so I will just write it down over here: mass or quantity of structure, quantity of structure, okay, which like we have dissolved in, which we have dissolved in given volume. So this concentration, I can write it down with this definition as: concentration is nothing but my mass, given mass of or a structure, quantity of a structure divided by the given volume. I have dissolved it in a volume, so I will write it down over here as a volume. Okay, so in this like chemistry equation, it will be C is equal to M divided by V. I will write it down small m for mass. So this M is nothing but a given mass for a substance. Okay, so I will write it down over here: M is given mass of a substance. That substance can be a solute or can be a solvent, and V is nothing but a given volume of a substance. Again, that substance can be solute or solvent. So let's start. So my formula is C is equal to M by V. We have understood what is exactly concentration. So concentration is nothing but a mass or a quantity of a structure which we have dissolved in a given volume. So whenever we dissolve anything to make it concentrated, अगर मैं नमक को या फिर any salt, I'm dissolving any kind of a liquid. Let's consider again water only. So अगर मैं continuously salt को add करते जा रहा हूँ, add करते जा रहा हूँ, it will be having a concentration of that salt water कि वो कितना like salty है. Like when we say कि कोई भी खाना salt ज़्यादा salty हो गया या फिर नमक ज़्यादा गिर गया, what we say exactly? We tell the percentage of concentration in that particular structure or a mixture. So this concentration terms is very important for our chapter. So how we are going to use this concentration term? Let's see first. So our first term, I hope you have understood what is exactly concentration. So we will go to our first term, that is mass percentage. So this is a term of a concentration. So I will just write it down: mass percentage. So what is mass percentage exactly? So if I want to like define or decide a percentage of a solute or a solvent, so I should know what is the mass of that particular what is the mass of that particular solute or solvent in a percentage. So for that we have formula. So whenever we like define a mass, or we have to define a quantity of a mass, in over here we are concluding it with the percentage. But if we go to the particular mass structure of a mass, so we will say the amount where we find out how we are going to define the mass. So it will be, you guys know, that is grams, kilograms, or milligrams. So these are the quantity of structures we use as an amount for a mass. And if we go, like if we use this particular unit for mass percentage to define and to find out a percentage of my solute or a solvent as a mass. So we have a formula for that. Let's write it down. So if I want to find out percentage of solute as a mass, I will write down solute percentage is equal to, okay, is equal to amount of solute divided by total amount of solution. Okay, total amount of solution. Obviously I want to find it out in a percentage, so I will multiply it with the 100. Okay, so this is my percentage in solute. If I want to find out mass percentage of particular solute or solvent, I will use this formula. But again, let's write it down. For solvent, if I want to find out the mass percentage of a solvent mixture, so what I will do, I will just use again this formula, amount of, over here it was solute, so now it will be solvent. Okay, solvent divided by total amount of solution. Total amount of solution. Okay, so this is my formula, and into 100 I will do. So this is my percentage formula to find out mass percentage of particular solute and solvent. This is very important, and understand this unit which we are going to use for mass, that will be grams, kg and milligrams. So write it down fast. This is our topic about concentration. What is exactly a concentration? It is mass divided by volume, or we can say mass, or a quantity of a structure which we have dissolved in a particular volume. And if we see in a formula of a chemistry, that will be C is equal to m by V. Mass is nothing but a given mass of a substance. It can be a solute, or a substance can be a solute or a solvent, and as a volume it will be given volume of a substance. Again, we are going to see first our concentration term, that is mass percentage. So what is mass percentage? If I have to find out a particular mass percentage of any solute and solvent, so we have a formula for that, and that particular mass percentage we find out in a percentage only, as a unit, as a percentage. But as we see the unit type for a mass, it will be gram, kilogram and milligram, and our formula is solute percentage is equal to amount of solute divided by total amount of solution into 100, and for a solvent it will be amount of solvent divided by total volume of solution into 100. So it is very easy, but it is very important. You guys will be telling me why we are studying this. This is very basic things which we have to understand if we are going to solve numericals and everything, and to understand the basic concept of the solution as a solvent, solute and a solution. Okay, so write it down fast and make a note of it.